Well, we're going to be looking at this Elimi-Aiptasia. Got some new frags about 2 months ago, and obviously I didn't quarantine them well enough, and I ended up with a couple of Aiptasia popping up out of the frag plugs. Now, obviously it went on a little bit longer than I expected because I also found some on some rocks. And you know what they say, if you find one, you have two. If you find two, you have eight. If you find eight, you probably have 16. And that's so very true. So we're going to take a look at how we use the product. It's great. It comes with this little clear liquid that we're going to inject into the Aiptasia. We use this little injection needle that they give us. All it takes is about maybe a tenth of a millimeter, maybe 2-3 tenths of a millimeter, depends on the size of the Aiptasia. We're going to jab it right into its flesh and then inject it with that liquid. Now let's see, if we take a look at our rocks here, let me just put my filter on. We can see how we've got one coming out here. We've got a couple down here in the sand underneath the rocks. A little better view here maybe. Make this a little bit brighter. That's a little more, that's a little bit too bright. And I also noticed that I had a couple coming out of, it's not food, get out of the way, this tank is such a diva, coming out of my Zoa garden. So we're gonna get in there and take care of them, get them out of there. Everything else is looking good, but if you have, again, if you have two, you probably see two, you have four. If you see four, you probably have eight. There's one back there, I can see him right back here. Yeah, there he is. So, you know, that's how it goes. So we're gonna do that, we're gonna treat them with the Elimi-Aiptasia. And then we're gonna add, I have some peppermint shrimp in here. We're gonna add a file fish to let him do some maintenance for us so I don't have to keep an eye on every little thing. So we're gonna do that. We'll paste some more videos and show you how long it takes for them to get cleaned out and how well the product works. And so far it's worked well. I've used it twice just to see how it was. I had some right on this filter on the overflow, and I injected them 2 days ago, and it took about 2 days for them to completely dissolve away, and they're gone and nothing came back. So that's nice. So we'll let you know how it works. See you in a few.